Welcome to Lab 9. So we're going to disable the auto negotiation of trunking on an interface. And this is covered in the ICND1 syllabus. Obviously if you're taking the one exam route, then it's in that syllabus there. So I'm going to do this on a packet tracer switch because my live switches are a different model, and you get different errors which can confuse the subject a bit. So show interface fast Ethernet 0/1 space switch port. Show us the layer 2 settings. Negotiation of trunking is on. And we want to disable this, so we're going to cover the command that will do this for us. Interface fast Ethernet 0/1. So the command is switch port no negotiate, and then it'll throw up an error saying a conflict between negotiate and dynamic. So you can't have the port dynamically negotiating a trunk. So it needs to be switch port mode trunk to hard set it to trunk, then switch port no negotiate. That command will be accepted this time round. And then we'll issue the show command again. On all things being equal, negotiation of trunking should be turned off. And there we can say negotiation of trunking is off. So that's the command. That's the end of the lab. Thanks for watching.